This brief web tutorial is going to get you started on Google My Maps. You can start by typing google.com/mymaps into the Omnibar. Soon, you'll be able to find your Google My Maps in your drive, here under More, Google My Maps. This has not been released yet for education accounts. Once you get to Google My Maps, you'll notice that you have the option to create a new map or open a map. If a map's been shared with you, you may just be sent a URL link, but we're going to go ahead and create a map. Once you create a map, you'll see it's untitled. You'll have an option to share. When you share, it's going to ask you for a title. It's going to be demo map. And I can write a description if I want. I'll hit save. I have options to share just like most Google apps. I can invite people specifically, or I can share on the web or with anybody who gets the URL link. Now you have a few features in here. If I want to search for a location, I can go ahead and I can type in San Francisco. A place marker will appear. If I want to add that place marker to my map, all I have to do is select it and select Add to Map. It will turn red. I can remove the details from there, click the Edit pencil, add an image, and search Google directly, San Francisco. I can select the picture of the bridge that I'd like, and you'll see my bridge will appear here. Now I also have the option to search YouTube, and I can add more images. I can type a description right here, a view from the Golden Gate. Save. Now I realize my place marker isn't actually on the Golden Gate Bridge, so I can go ahead and I can hit the Edit pencil, and I can move that place marker to be directly on the bridge. Now some cool features with My Maps. If I wanted to find out the size of Angel Island State Park, I can use this draw line or shape feature, and I can just go ahead and draw a little outline around Angel Island. I'm not being very exact at the moment, but I can create the polygon shape, and you'll see actually it has the square miles and the perimeter there. I can drag that shape around and try and fit that shape in a different area if I'd like. Again, I just hit the Edit pencil and I can go ahead and drag it. A couple other things. There's a ruler. If you wanted to find the distance between one point and another, you can draw a line, and you can continue that path if you zoom out all across the country or all across the world. What's great is you'll notice that it actually adjusts to work with the curve of the Earth. There are layers involved in My Maps. You can add a layer, and what that's going to do is that's going to create a completely separate area. So if this layer was turned off, you'll notice that now all of a sudden my place mark that I've added is gone. One other really great feature in Google My Maps is the ability to actually go into Google Maps, and so we're going to go ahead and search for the Golden Gate Bridge, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to select the map that opens up. You can use links and insert links in your description. So this is Google Maps of the Golden Gate Bridge, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this little guy right here. This is the Street View icon, and you can see anywhere that shows up with this little outline, I can drop the Street View guy. Oops. And that'll take me into a Street View from that point. Now this is obviously taken from a boat, and if we turn around and orient this view, we'll see, boom, right here is the Golden Gate Bridge. Now, wherever I am viewing, this URL up here constantly changes. So if I go ahead and copy and paste that, or better yet, if I have a URL shortener built into my browser, I can go ahead and I can select it and go back into My Maps, select my Golden Gate Bridge, go ahead and paste in that URL, and you'll see mine's the nice shortened URL. When anyone selects that link now, it will take them automatically to that Street View. Anyway, this is just a crash course in Google's My Maps, and I hope you find this useful, and have a great day.